Hey everyone, foldable phones used to feel like futuristic concepts, but they've quickly become mainstream. Now, brands like Huawei are pushing the envelope even further with their latest release, the Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate. This new tri-foldable device was just introduced yesterday, and it's essentially a 10-inch tablet that folds down to fit in your pocket. Sounds like a game changer, right? Let's dive into the hands-on reports to see what this device is really like. Size and handling. So how big is it? The answer is big, but not overly cumbersome. Early reports from China suggest that while the Mate X-T Ultimate's tri-fold design does make it quite large, it's still manageable. The phone unfolds in 3 segments, giving you the flexibility to use it in stages depending on what you need. When fully folded, you get a 6.4-inch display. At this point, the device is 12.8 millimeters thick. One interesting detail is that the bottom segment is a bit wider than the top 2, which affects how you hold it. In the folded configuration, you'll mostly be gripping the bottom segment. Display modes. In terms of dimensions, here's how it breaks down. When fully folded, you get a 6.4-inch screen, which is compact for a foldable. In dual screen mode, it expands to a 7.9-inch display. And when fully unfolded, it reveals a massive 10.2-inch screen. Despite its large size, the Mate X-T Ultimate weighs just 298 grams. That's heavy for a smartphone, but relatively light for a 10-inch tablet. However, handling it with one hand can be tricky. Some reviewers noted that it's not just the weight, but the way it's distributed across the 3 segments that makes it a bit unwieldy. Camera and features. The camera setup on the Mate X-T Ultimate is impressive. It features a powerful triple camera system, a 50-megapixel main camera with an adjustable aperture, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 12-megapixel periscope camera with 5.5x zoom. For selfies, there's an 8-megapixel camera located on the top segment. This camera can be used whether the phone is folded or unfolded, but in dual screen mode it flips to the back, so you won't have a front-facing camera. Pricing and accessories. As you might expect, the Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate is priced as a premium device. It starts at around 20,000 Chinese yuan, which translates to roughly $2,800. Inside the box, you get not only the phone, but also high-end accessories, including 2 USB cables, home and car chargers, Huawei FreeBuds 5, and a protective case. The packaging itself exudes luxury, promising a high-end experience. Software and performance. On the software side, the Mate X-T Ultimate runs on Harmony OS. From the hands-on videos, it's clear that the UI adapts seamlessly to the changing screen sizes and orientations. Now, it's launching in China on September 19th, but there's no word yet on an international release. For now, it seems the rest of the world will have to stick with the dual foldable models already available. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care.